Welcome to my another video, lecture 4 for the series Learning Adobe Illustrator. So this will be my fourth lecture. Here you can see my channel. Please subscribe to the channel so you can have the videos in your timeline as soon as I upload, and you can get benefits from it. So here's the video, here are the videos, here's the playlist and the videos I have uploaded. So in the last lecture, lecture number 3, what I taught you was about selection tool, direct selection tool, magic wand tool and the lasso tool. If you come back to the platform Adobe Illustrator, we can see over here this is selection tool, direct selection tool, magic wand tool and the lasso tool. Now in this video lecture 4, I'm going to tell you about the pen. So here's the pen tool. We can just select the pen tool by pressing P on the keyboard. So as you saw that just I pressed letter on the keyboard, the cursor was changed to a pen shaped cursor. So we can just draw anything by the pen, and what we can do is just click over here and go to some other place and then click over there. And if you are making a square, so we have 2 points over here, then clicking on another point, then another point, and then coming back to the first point and click on it. So here we got a circle and the pen is disconnected because we have clicked on the first point again. So the system will admit it as the end point. So now we can see this square shaped something in the layer panel as well. So here is the layer 1, and we can see it is filled with black color and we don't have any stroke or outline. So we can change the fill color from here to any color, and we can change the outline from here. So we cannot see any outline because the point is very low to see from here, but if we zoom it we can see the 1 point outline. We can increase by pressing the up arrow over here or just selecting any of these presets. So if you want to just remove the color of the square shape thing, we can just go over here and click this tab where it is written none. So we don't have any color in there, and we cannot select this square by clicking over here or dragging over here because there is no color. So the system knows that nothing is in here. Only we can select is the where there is some existence of this square. So if you click over here, we can just select it and drag it anywhere. There are four options in the pen tool. So first one is the pen tool itself. We can just click and go back to the main point, and we have a shape over here. If in any case we want to remove or add any extra point, so we can just select any of these 2 points, these 2 tools. So add anchor point tool, we will get a pen shape tool with a plus sign. So if we select a normal one, we just get a static or star sign with the pen tool. If we select the second tool, we get a plus point that shows you want to add some point, anchor point, anywhere on the shape. So if we click over here, we get a point. So now by selecting the direct selection tool, we can just move this anchor point anywhere and can reshape the whole thing. If we don't want this anchor point here, we can just select the third tool in the list and press on this anchor point, and it will delete the anchor point. From here we can delete, and we can delete. Still there is one anchor point, but it is not any shape, so we can just click on it and remove it. So we can click any place and where there is an anchor point to apply this. If we don't have any anchor point over here, nothing will happen. About the anchor point tool, I will let you know later. So coming to the next tool is Curvature Tool. So if we select it, we get a pen, but with a curved line on top of it. As you can see, with my anchor point is changed. So if I press over here and then press anywhere on the artboard, I get this straight line. But as soon as I move to any other place, it makes it a very curvy shape to the line. So it is not making any corners like as we did in the earlier pen tool. So it's making a curve and it's continuing making it round and curvy kind of thing. So we can make a spiral or anything, spring or anything with this tool. We didn't have this feature in the earlier versions of Adobe Illustrator, and we had to do it manually. But in this updated Adobe Illustrator version, they have added this tool over here. I want to keep this video short, so I'm just breaking this lecture 4 into 2 parts. This will be the part 1, in which I told you about the pen tools and a new version for the pen tool. So in the next lecture, in the next part of the lecture 4, I will tell you about the text thing, the type thing, the text thing, the font thing. So stay tuned to the lecture 4 and click on the next video, next part of the video, to get the full information and full details of the text type tool. Thank you very much for now. I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.